Our topic in Math 10 for week 7, polynomial equations. Now, we will move on how to find roots of polynomial equation. Okay, example, equation of degree 3 or more. Equation of higher degree. A polynomial function of degree n is of the form of f of x equals a the subscript of 0 x raised the power of n plus a the subscript of 1 x raised the power of n minus 1 then plus a the subscript of 2x raised the power of n minus 2 and so on. Where a the subscript of 0 not equal to 0 and n is a positive integer called the degree of the polynomial. This is an easy step, easy to overlook. Unfortunately, if you have a polynomial equation, put all terms on one side and 0 on the other side. And whether it's a factoring problem or an equation to solve, put your polynomial in standard form from the highest to the lowest power. So, like for example number 1, so we have x cubed negative 4x negative 8 then equals negative 2x squared. Then this time you have to arrange in descending order. So we have x cubed, then negative 2x squared, it becomes positive 2x squared. Then we have negative 4x, then we have negative 8, then equals 0. Okay, so this time, you have to regroup the first two terms and the last two terms. So the first group, we have x cubed positive 2x squared. Then we have the second group, negative 4x. Then we have negative 8. Then closed quantity equals 0. After regrouping the first two terms and the last two terms, find the common factor of each group. Okay, so we have the common factor of x squared positive 2x squared, that is x squared. Then, the common factor of the second group is, we have 4. Then equals 0. Then after determining the common factor, then divide. So, x cubed divided by x squared, the result is x. Then positive 2x squared divided by x squared, the result is positive 2. Then next, we have 4x divided by 4 is x. Negative 8 divided by negative 4, the result is positive 2. Then, after that, okay, the common factor of each group as 1. So, we have here x squared, negative 4x. Then, we have, okay, so x positive 2, and we have here x positive 2, then equals 0. Then, next procedure. So, x squared and negative 2 still factorable. Okay, so we have here, right to adjacent parenthesis, that is x and x. Then we have positive 2 and negative 2. Okay, then, you have to get only one. Since we have positive 2 and positive 2, get only one. Then we have negative x negative 2. So we have here x positive 2 and we have x negative 2. Then equals 0. Then after that, equate the resulting factor to 0. So we have here x positive 2 equals 0. So here x is equal to negative 2. Then next, then we have here x negative 2 equals 0. So we have here x is equal to positive 2. So we have here two elements. Okay, for number 2 example, we have x cubed positive 6x squared positive 12x equals negative 8. Then first, you have to transpose positive 8 to the left side. Okay, we have here x cubed positive 6x squared, then positive 12x, then we have positive 8, then equals 0. Then the next procedure, regroup the first two terms and the last two terms. So we have the first group, so x cubed positive 6x squared. Then we have here positive, okay, the second group we have 12x, then we have positive 8, then equals 0. Then after that, find the common factor. The common factor of the first group, that is x squared. Then we have the common factor of 12x positive 8 is 4. Then equals 0. Then after that, divide. So x cubed divided by x squared, the result is x. Then we have positive 6x squared divided by x squared, the result is positive 6. Then next, 12x divided by 4, we have 3x. Then positive 8 divided by 4, so the result is positive 2. Then we have regroup the common factor. We have here x squared and positive 4. Then we have here x positive 6. Then we have 3x positive 2. Since the result, okay, we have different term. So after that, you have to equate the resulting factor to 0. So we have here x squared positive 4. Then to eliminate the exponent of 2, replace it by the sign of radical. So we have here x squared positive 4. So the square root of x squared positive 4, so we have here x, then that is positive 4. Then equate the resulting factor to 0, that is x positive 4 equals 0. So x is equal to negative 4. So this is now the first element. Then the second element, we have here x positive 6 equals 0. So x is equal to negative 6. So this is now the second element. And the third element, we have 3x positive 2 equals 0. So we have x is equal to, we have negative 2/3. So this is now the third element. For number 3 example, no need to arrange. Okay, then you have now to regroup the first two terms and the last two terms. So we have here x cubed positive 4x squared. Then we have the second group, that is 4x, then positive 3, then equals 0. Then after that, find the common factor. Okay, so the common factor of x cubed positive 4x squared, that is x squared. Then we have positive. So the common factor of 4x and positive 3, that is 1. Okay, then equals 0. Then divide. X cubed divided by x squared, so we have here x. Then positive 4x squared divided by x squared, so we have positive 4. Then next, 4x divided by 1, that is 4x. Then positive 3 divided by 1, so we have positive 3. Then, okay, so regroup the common factor. So we have x squared and we have positive 1. Then we have here x positive 4. Then we have here 4x positive 3. Then after that, equate the resulting factor to 0. So we have here x squared positive 8 then equals 0. To remove the exponent of 2, replace it by the sign of radical. So we have here x squared positive 1. Then we have the square root of x squared positive 1, that is x positive 1. Then equals 0. Then the first element is equal to negative 1. Then next, we have here x positive 4 equals 0. Then the second element is equal to negative 4. Then the third element, we have 4x positive 3 equals 0. So we have here x is equal to negative 3/4. Okay, this is now the third element.